All right, let me quickly tell you about this wig that I finally got on TikTok shop. It's been a while that I kept this in my cart. It's most like forever. Shortly after I put it in my cart, it got higher in price and it was almost like $80. So I abandoned it there, and then later the price dropped again because they went on sales again, so which was about $46. Now this should have been probably the lead in all my wigs because I kind of love it because it has a cornrow African style, with afro. And boom, when this finally landed in my house, I do not like the net. The net is too revealing that this is wig because it was not same as my color, and that makes me not really happy. So I already planned that I was going to use some foundation because I see people do that. I'm not really a fashionable person when it comes to wigs. I just want to feel comfortable. So I planned I was going to do that, but after cutting off the excess net, I expected it to stay the way it should, but the baby hair were also not given, so I decided to take that out. So after taking out the baby hair, oh my goodness, it was not given for me. I messed my wig up. I don't know if I should have done something better. So if you know what I should have done better, please let me know. But that's so painful. So I messed up this wig, but you know what? I'm just going to use it the way it is. I don't care if people see that it's a wig. I don't care what it looks like. I don't care if it doesn't look good. But in the end, the result is not really what I expected because these two sides were kind of too short. Like it went so much inside. Not really, I don't really like what I ended up doing to this wig. But you know what? I'll just take it that way. So what do you think? What do you think I should have done better? So that was how I messed up. I don't want to use the word destroy the wig, but I messed it up. Nevertheless, each time I wear it, it still look nice. Just that it's kind of too obvious that I was wearing a wig. That's the only thing. And when we talk about baby hair, it's not really easy to make, to make baby hair look baby hair. People are experts in this, but I'm not. So sorry, I'm not. So I messed up this beautiful wig. So that's the end result. What do you think? What do you think I should have done better? Just so you know, this particular wig is still on sales, and it's $46. If you know you can afford it, if you know you love it, if you know it's cheap for you, just grab it now before sales end, because it's going to return to its normal price, which is over $80 or even more than $100. It's a cute wig. Do not mind what I did to mine, but I'm sure you know better, and you probably need to take it to them to style it for you. But I made a mistake leaving it all like that, and I messed it up. So do not mind how I mess it up. Just go ahead and order yours. This is cute, and I still have it on my showcase. So check on my showcase, and you take it to TikTok shop where you can place your order.